With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given that to a 100 ml of 0.1 molar weak acid HA solution, 22.5 ml of 0.2 molar solution of NaOH are added. Now what volume of 0.1 molar NaOH solution should be added into the above solution so that the pH of the resulting solution will be 4.7. The Kb value is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 10, right? So first of all, let's see the equation. The equation is like this. When HA is reacted in presence of NaOH, it gives you Na plus H2O, right? This is the whole reaction which you get. Now, after this reaction, what is given at T is equal to 0? What is the concentration of HA? So we all know, first of all, let's see. We all know that number of millimoles is equals to volume in milliliter into the molarity. This we all know. Volume in milliliter into molarity gives you number of millimoles. So what is the number of millimoles of HA? It will be 100 into 0.1, which is nothing but 10. What is the number of millimoles of NaOH? It will be 22.5 into 0.2. 22.5 into 0.2, which will come out to be around 4.5, right? So number of millimoles of NaOH will be 4.5. This will be 0, this will be 0 at T is equal to 0. Now if you say that at T is equal to some time T, what will be the value of HA? So as you can see that 4.51 mole of NaOH reacts with 1 mole of HA. So that 4.5 moles of NaOH will react with 4.5 moles of HA. So how much will be left? 10 minus 4.5. And NaOH will be 0. How much will be formed? 4.5, and here also 4.5, right? So finally this value will be 5.5, right? This is the value 5.5. Now let's see what happens. After this you add 0.1. After this we add 0.1 molar NaOH solution of volume V, right? Of volume V. So what will happen now? If you add 0.1 molar solution of volume V, then you can say that at this position the concentration of Na, that is the salt, will increase by this number of millimoles, that is 0.1 into V, right? And the concentration of Ha will decrease by 5.5 minus 0.1 into V, because when you are adding NaOH, again the reaction will take place and the concentration of HA will decrease. So this is the acid concentration and this is the salt concentration, right? Salt concentration. Now you can see that you have a weak acid, mixture of a weak acid and a salt of a strong base and weak acid, right? This is the salt of strong base and weak acid and mixture of a weak acid. In this case acidic buffer will be done, and in that case what is the formula for acidic buffer? We know pH is equals to pKa plus log of salt by acid, right? This is the formula for acidic buffer. pH is equals to pKa plus log of salt by. So we have seen that pH is equals to pKa plus log of salt by acid, right? So this is the formula. So let's see what is the pH given to us. It is given 4.7. What is the value of pK? We still don't know. We have the value of pKb. So we will calculate first of all what is the value of pKa, right? So how to calculate, I will tell you. First of all, let's write down the equation as it is. Now let's see what is the value of pK. So we all know that Ka into Kb is equals to 10 to Ka into Kb is equals to Ka into Kb, that is equals to 10 to the power minus 14. So from here you can say Ka will be 10 to the power minus 14 by Kb. Now what is Kb given to us? The Kb is given as 5 into 2. So what is Kb? Kb is 5 into 10 to the power minus 10, right? Kb is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. So from here you will find out the value of Ka is equals to, the value of Ka is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, right? This is the value of Ka. So if the value of Ka is this, then value of pKa will be 5 minus log 2, right? this will be the value of pKa, 5 minus log 2, if the value of k is this. So let's substitute now this value here. So you can say 4.7 is equals to, what is the value of pK? 5 minus log 2 plus log of, what is salt? What is the concentration of salt? We have just now written salt concentration is 4.5 plus 0.1 V. So we will write here 4.5 plus 0.1 V, right? And what is the concentration of acid? The concentration of acid is 5.5 minus 0.1 V. So from here you will write 4.7 minus 5 plus log 2 is equals to log of 4.5 plus 0.1 V, 0.1 V divided by 5.5 minus 0.1 V. Now from here it's very important what you will get. Actually this whole value will be, this whole value is approximately equals to 0, right? This whole value is approximately equals to 0. So you will write 0 is equals to log of 4.5 plus 0.1 V divided by 5.5 minus 0.1 V. So from here it's very clear that 4.5 plus 0.1 V, this is equals to 5.5 minus 0.1 V, right? So now what you will write? You will write that 2 into 0.1 V, this is equals to 1, right? So finally V will be equals to 1 by 2 into 0.1, or that can be written as 10 by 2, or that can be written as 5 ml, because volume was in ml, right? So this is the answer to the given question. So let's check which option is correct. Which option is correct? Let's check. So yes, you have here the option 1. Option 1 is correct. So we'll write here that which option is correct. We have found that option 1 is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.